Do you want to type in Malayalam language or any other Indian regional language? You don't need to install additional keyboard for that. You can actually go to Google and Google this. Google input tools Malayalam. You can put Tamil, Hindi or any other regional language. This is how you get the website. And once you are here, select Malayalam. It will be in Malayalam, and you can type whatever you want in Manglish. So you'll be typing in English letters. Okay, and click enter. So you will automatically get your result in Unicode Malayalam. So once you have typed all the things, you can copy and paste in Notepad. Hope you understood how to type in Malayalam. Goodbye.